Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Dominoes 7 show. Merry Christmas, everybody. Jingle bells. Merry Christmas, everybody. Yes, indeed. Okay. Well. I must say, I want to wish all y'all a Merry Christmas, okay? Yes, indeed. I mean, my favorite time of day, but just my first Christmas without my mom, you know. Much as I miss her, you know, I still miss her, but it's my third Christmas without my grandmother, okay? She passed away July 18, 2016. My mom passed April 29th, 2018, you know? So that's 2 years apart, you know, okay? And I got Brock's presents, okay? So I don't know if he gonna be up in time. Well, he gonna be up actually, okay? All right. So what I'm gonna do? About to go downstairs. Yep, I'm gonna go downstairs. Give him them presents, okay? All right. So he need to open them up immediately, okay? All right. Be right back. All right, y'all. Welcome back to the show. All right. Open your presents. Okay. Which one you gonna open? Alright. Alright. Go ahead, open. Open it. Open it. Open it. Alright. Alright. That's not skates. That's a radio.
Radio.
With a tape recorder on it too.
Yeah.
All right. And that's a little present you got. All right. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Okay. Open your other one. And what is that? Open it.
Yeah.
That's interesting. What's that? Oh, you go. Oh, that's that's PlayStation game. Open this one.
Yeah.
Well, that's PlayStation things. I didn't know what the hell that was. Okay. Oh, and put it down here. Let me here. Open it. All right, go ahead. You can open it.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, what you got? Games.
Okay.
And a PlayStation 2 like you asked for.
Yeah.
And what that is? Earphones.
Earphone.
And you got a PlayStation 2. You see that?
This is 2.
You want me to hook it up?
Yeah.
All right. So it's about to hook it up, and I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Okay. All right. So probably later today, I'ma go to my people house and stuff like that, you know. But I don't know how I'm gonna do this, or what I'm gonna do, or whatever. Okay. So Merry Christmas to y'all, and I'm very, very elated and happy to do this show and everything else and stuff like that, you know, whatever the heck I'm trying to say, you know. All right, so anyway, I gotta wish Kristen a Merry Christmas, my favorite girl. No. I know what some of y'all thinking though. Y'all thinking I have feelings for her and want to be with her and stuff like that and fall in love with her. Oh hell no. Okay. I already know some of you people seen Kristen on my show in previous occasions. Her first episode was in my second season, you know. Okay. So anyway, I'm laughing because of what I'm about to say, you know. Poo Kristen. Oh my God. Yes indeed, yo. Yep. All right. All right. Never mind all that. I'm about to go get in the shower, okay? Talk to you on the next one. Sup, y'all? Welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show, Christmas Day. Live location.
Hello?
Oh, what's up, bro? Merry Christmas, bro.
You too, bro.
All right. Should I say Merry to yous? Oops, shit. Let me shut up. Happy to you. Still skipping. What the hell? Never mind that shit. What's up, bro?
No, what's good, bro?
All right. Oh yeah, it's Christmas. I'm doing my show, bro.
Yeah?
Doing my Christmas show, and I think I'm gonna do a special song. You know, Spirit of the Season.
Where you at?
I'm at my house. I'm recording.
No.
All right. So your family over there?
Yep.
Oh, who?
A few people over there.
Oh, a few people. I can come over there?
I'm about to go up now.
Oh, well, shit. Oh, Bourbon Street?
Yeah?
Bourbon Street?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so all right then. I'll talk to you later, bro.
Alright.
All right. What's up, y'all? All right, I'm back. Forget when I say merry to yous, happy to yous, or whatever shit. What the hell am I saying? Okay, never mind that shit. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna do a presentation right now. Okay. So anyway, this is we gonna listen to Spirit of the Season. Okay. All right, it's gonna be two versions of it. The one version and another version. Okay, Spirit of the Season, celebration and oaks and stuff like that. What the hell? Okay, all right. Check it out.
You can hear it in the air, a song of hope to share. It's the season, and the sounds are everywhere. Let the Spirit take you there, and the children's eyes. To the Spirit of the season. The Spirit shines the same inside of you and me. That sweet harmony. Don't you feel it? Don't you feel it? Can't you hear it? The Spirit. It's the Spirit you've always known. The Spirit of the season. Makes Louisiana home.
It's hope that the new year brings.
It's peace on the snow dove's wings. Spirit of the season brings us home.
Y'all thought that was good music, you know? So that was something from the old days when I was a little bitty child, okay? I don't know if it was 1991 or 92, okay? So check out this one, okay? I mean, Christmas spirit all day long, you know? I really enjoyed all that, you know? A blooper here, a blooper there and all that. I hope I don't get no copyright messaging or whatever, okay? So check out this next one.
Joy in the children's eyes.
Ain't that beautiful? That is very, very beautiful. Okay? I love music like that. You know? I really do. Okay? Ever since I was a child. You know? A little baby. A little bitty baby. Alright? That's all I know. A little bitty baby I was. Okay. Alright then. I'm about to go ahead straight to my peep house, okay? So, see you folks there. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the show. Alright. I ain't gonna put y'all if y'all want to be on. We got family here. Alright. Okay. I ain't gonna put you on. I know what you're gonna do. Alright. Richie on the show. Oh no, don't do that. Alright. I'll be right back. Alright. Forget about that music, y'all. No copyright infringement. Let's go outside. Better. So what's up? You want to be on the show? What's up?
Yeah, bro. And those houses.
Give me an ashtray.
What, the ashtray?
That bucket.
Oh, the bucket? All right, let's go see what's. Oh, this. Must be this he want. What, this? This? Oh, yeah, it is this he wanted. There you go. What's up, Thad? Is you on the show? Anything you want to say? Oh, you're busy. Never mind.
Come on.
All right. They're busy, so I'll be right back. All right, welcome back to the show, yo. All right, look at Jace. Hey, Jace. Hey, Jaden. Jaden, hey. You're on the show. All right, forget about the music in the background, yo. No copyright infringement, though. I'm about to eat this. Jason on TV say, hey!
What's up, Kelly?
Hey, what's up? You on the show? Alright. Alright, so I'm about to go to a commercial break, okay? Alright, y'all, welcome back to the show. Music too loud. Alright. Richard, anything you want to say? No cursing, bro.
That's what I live for.
Well, and plus. All right. Well, no cursing today, but I allow cursing on my show, but not today.
Your show too straight. Oh, uncensored.
Huh?
I'm uncensored.
All right. Chill what? Man, he gotta get with the program, bro. He gotta get with the program. Malay, you wanna be on TV? All right, hey. You're on the show. Say Merry Christmas, everybody. Okay, we already did that tribute. Well, I hope I don't get a copyright, you know. Talking about that spirit of the season stuff, you know. I did it, but I hope I don't get a strike for that, you know. You know, it's owned by Channel 4, you know. All right, so, all right, I'll be right back with the final thought. And there you have it, okay. Had lots of fun at my family house, and now time for the final thought, okay. So. Anyway, by my cousin saying chill with the camera, close this door here. There. Alright. So anyway, as I was saying, y'all, it was lots of fun over there at the family house, you know. I mean, it was a short episode. I wish Samara would have been there, you know. Beautiful Samara. At least Malia was there. Hey, you know something? I know I said it in my previous episode at the Mardi Gras parade one day, but Samara and Malia look alike, you know. Yes, indeed. It's like they twins or something, you know. It's just like they twins. Beautiful too. Very beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I love those two, you know. So what I'm very happy about is by them seeing seeing Malia at that, you know. My partner Greg, that's still my partner regardless of what, you know. But I don't want to say nothing personal, but we gonna skip that, okay? All right. So anyway, what I want to talk about, family, friends, you know. Merry Christmas to all my family and friends, you know. Rochelle, Kristen, Gabe, Allie. I would like to say Merry Christmas to Tanya Lopez and Tanya Lee, okay? Married name, or should I say Tanya Lil T, or whatever. Merry Christmas to Kirsten, my beautiful friend Brittany, that smiled so much. When I first met this girl, Brittany, she looked like she had I'm untying my shoes right now, y'all. Okay? And she looked at all mean and stuff, you know. But as I got to know her, she's sweet as a dove, okay? I never thought I would ever see beautiful Brittany smile. I hope she appear on my show one day. She never had an appearance on my show before, you know. But I don't know when that's gonna happen though. But I hope one day that Brittany appear on my show, you know. So, I mean, family is very important. Like Thaddeus say, if you don't have family, you don't have nothing, okay? All this stuff I got here, video games and stuff like that, I could lose that too. This house, I could lose that. My TV show, I could lose that too, okay? So, on the contrary on that, I'm good. God is good all the time, and I'm very happy for what I have. This show, my computer, my NES and stuff like that, you know, I love video games a lot. I guess video games a lot all the time, you know, and I love it, okay? I love video games. I love it all, okay? All right, so thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show. Like Bob Barker said, and I'm going to continue on saying that every time I do my show, episode-wise, okay? Help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered, okay? Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show, Christmas episode, okay? Bye-bye.